Alright, you guys, so I purchased the hood and the hood is fitting pretty good. I still gotta do a little adjustment, but you can see how it's even all the way down. Still gotta push, still adjust it a little bit. This side is 2, you can see it. If you look at it straight down, it's pretty on there. But it doesn't close right now because the radiators from here are not from here. You can see right there is hidden on the hood because these radiators are not from here. I don't know where they're from. That's why all these are like this. They attached them onto there, but I'm gonna end up getting all the original stuff that's supposed to be here. The fans are from here, just the radiator and the condenser are not. But I'm gonna get the ones that go on here, and yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little quick update. It's gonna be like a 2-part video. I just wanted to put the hood on there, show y'all how it fit on there. So yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next part. Guys, so it's a couple days later, and the headlights came in already, and I did other couple things off camera. Like I got the right radiators that go on here. I did this. I got this bar on there. That's about it. Yeah, but I got the new headlights on right now. These are the new headlights that we got for it. They came in yesterday afternoon. I'm gonna go ahead and putting these on here for y'all. Alright, guys, so today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking off the bumper from right here, these lights, the tailgate. I think I'm gonna leave it on, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started on doing the body work from this bedside, since that is basically where we have a lot of work to do. Is right there. Right here is where we have basically, like, mostly the body work is on the bed because the front is pretty clean. This door, I'm gonna get a new one that has, like, I'm gonna try to get a clean door that has no dents. This cab also doesn't have no dents nowhere there. This fender has a little dent right here and another one right here. I think that's all it has. The hood is new, so it doesn't have dents, hopefully. This fender also doesn't look like it has dents, except just for like right here. I don't know what they put right here, but that's like a little dent. This door is also clean. It has one little wavy part somewhere right, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's like right here. That's that. This cab is, the cab part is clean too, no dents. And this one has like a little dent here, a dent here, and like right here, and a lot on top of this. So that is mainly, where all the body work is at, is right here on the bed. So I'm gonna spend most of the time fixing the bed, trying to get it as perfect as I can. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Guys, so this is what I got done the other day, but my phone died and I couldn't, well, it didn't die, it was about to die, so I couldn't keep on recording. But this is what I got done the other day. Right now I'm about to sand this all down, then I'm gonna add another coat of Bondo to see where I need to, right now I'm gonna sand this down and see where else I need to add Bondo to. But I mean, it's pretty on there straight. The lights on there good and all that.